Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Aqeela. Don't forget to subscribe, like, ring the notification bell for a new video. Let's move on to the next step. All you need is flour, chilled butter, and room temperature, baking soda, sugar, milk, 2 eggs, and that's all what you need, guys. Okay, now first things first, we are going to put the eggs and the milk together. This is really weird because I've never done this technique before, but we have to do this, guys. So now let's mix the egg with a fork. Now let's put all the dry ingredients in the bowl, and then let's mix the dry ingredient a little bit, so it will be all of the dry ingredient will be perfect. And now we are going to put the room temperature butter. Okay, let's put it in the bowl. Now we are going to use this. Whoosha! Now let's mix it until flaky, guys. Okay, let's tap it a little bit, tap with the tool that I'm using. Oh, it's really hard, guys. Okay, I'm done, guys. Ta-da! It is flaky. Now let's tap a little bit in the bowl. My tool, let's tap it a little bit so all of the powder is in the bowl. Whoosh. Sprinkle it a little bit, and let's put in the milk and the egg, the beaten egg and milk. Okay, guys. Okay, let's mix. Okay. It looks like that, guys. Let's mix until they have no flakes. Now we are going to spread a flour in the table. How about some more? Yay, more flour. Now we are going to make the chocolate one for my brother. Divide it into 2 dough if you want to, guys. But if your family wants the normal one, that means like you only have to make a little bit of the recipe, like less of ingredients. This is my mom's technique, guys. Let's roll it. Not too thin, not too thick. Just perfect. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. Now we are going to divide it into 2. Let's divide. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Now let's put chocolate chips. Let's put it in the side of the underside. Now you gotta press the chocolate chip, and then ta-da, we have to put it. If this is a life hack for you guys, you gotta put your knife under the dough so it won't be sticky. And let's put some more chocolate chips, because my brother loves chocolate so much. By the way, guys, tell me, what is your favorite taste of scones? My favorite is blueberry scone, blueberry butter scone. Okay, now let's divide it into four squares. And no, too big. Oh, yeah, 4 squares. And now let's make them into triangles. Triangles, triangles. Okay, let's put it in the pan. Okay, guys, sorry if it's small. There, now it's big. Okay, now let's walk into the oven. Scone a cake, bake a pan. Maybe it's like the song from pan a cake, bake the pan, bake it in the oven for guys, I don't know, it's kid's song, but I've made it up with scones. Scone a cake. Now let's make the second one, guys. As I told you, I'm gonna use my mom's technique. Now let's roll it there. Okay, now let's use a knife to do that I did before with the chocolate one, guys. Sorry about that. Oh. The chocolate one smells so good, guys. It already smells so good. Wow. I want to eat the chocolate one now. But too bad, too sad. We have to wait. Okay, let's cut it into triangle. By the way, guys, while waiting for me to do that, if you want to follow me in Roblox, I have 2 accounts. It's LL20CuteBunny and it's Winter Aqeela. Okay, let's focus back to cooking. Now let's chop the 4th triangle. The 4th square triangle. Does that make sense? I don't know. Okay, guys, we are done with the normal, the plain one. Thumbs up. Ta-da, guys. Ta-da. Okay, I'm gonna try it, guys. Oh, look at that. Bam, bam, yes, bam. If kids can cook, adult can cook. Bye-bye. But First things first, I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite. Let's put the butter at the top and blueberry jam. Just plop it in. But bam, bam, yes, ma'am. If kids can cook, adults can cook. Bye-bye. I said it twice. Oh no. Bye guys. That's how you make my favorite one. Bye. Please try this out, guys. It looks nasty. Bye guys. That's what I can do. But bye. Goodbye. Goodbye.